Welcome to our hospital, a place of healing where every detail matters, especially the sounds around us. Now, we are going to look into MRI. Consider the MRI machine that has 110 decibel noise. The sounds act as audible feedback for the operators. Vital for diagnostics, its precise imaging power allow for early detection and treatment. Next, we are going to look into ICU ventilator. In the ICU, the hum of ventilators is constant. While this sound signifies life-supporting technology that ensures patients receive the oxygen they need for survival and recovery. These machines are more than equipment. They are lifelines, bridging critical moments and offering patients a chance to heal. Now, we are going to look into an ICU incubator. In an ICU, soft rhythmic sounds support our smallest patients to stabilize breathing and promote peaceful sleep. These gentle sounds mimic the familiar rhythm of the womb. In healthcare, the right sounds are just as important as the right medicine for a healing surroundings.